Hey guys, you break friend wanted me to share the exact route from my last video, so I put together a guide, hope it helped. If you're used to using Google Maps, you'll need to switch things up here. Most of its features don't work in China. So let's go ahead and install a navigation app that actually works well. First, open the Play Store and search for an AMAP. I go ahead and download it. This is hands down the best navigation app to use in China. After you've got it installed, just tap Play on Route to start using it. Next, add your route and drop in your stops along the way. Just be sure to double check it's in China. A lot of locations can have the same or really similar name. Alright, here's the cycling route I recommend. First stop, Dahua County, River. Next up is Longyan Village, Gongchuan Township. I'll include a detailed route in the description below. The third stop is Qibainong Township. The fourth stop is Gaode Map. Just hit done and the app will take care of the rest. Your whole routes will be planned automatically. This is where the underground river starts in Longyan Village. When I was there, the water was pretty low, but usually it flows a lot more. Next, we arrive at Qibainong National Geopark. This area experiences long-term drought, making water access difficult for local residents. Because of this, many people say it's not a suitable place to live. And now we've made it to the last stop on this route, gengtaao. Just honk your horn here and the boat guy will come pick you up. After saying goodbye to the boat, we go ashore and plan a new route. So why didn't we plan the whole route from the start? Well, the app can recognize ferry crossing. And right now, let's map out the next part of the trip. You can choose my location here, but I just typed in where I was back there. This is the widest bend of the Hongshui River. There are a bunch of places with the same name, so be sure you got the right spot. Finally, we navigate to Dahua County. You can find a hotel here to rest for the night before continuing the job. This is the #1 bend of the Hongshui River. You can enjoy the beautiful scenery here. When you arrive in Bama, make sure to find a better hotel to stay at because local regulations require foreign visitors to register with authorities. Higher-end hotels use and handle this process for you, which can save you a lot of trouble. Kicking off the trip from Bama, first thing, let's map out the route. I'll include a detailed route in the description below. Bama is known as one of the world's longevity hotspot. The air is full of negative oxygen ions, and some of the caves have really strong magnetic field. A lot of people here live to be over 100. This is Bainiuyan Scenic Area. You can hop on a boat and explore a cave from the inside. This is the Minghe River. The way it twists and turns looks just like the Chinese character for life. Just keep going a few more kilometers down the road. Arrive at Crystal Palace. Back in June 2004, some villagers accidentally found the Crystal Palace tucked away deep in the mountain. The local authorities moved fast to protect the cave. And finally, we're at Sanmenhai Scenic Area in Longyan County. I really recommend the boat tour through the caves. It's absolutely stunning. And once you're done, you can even hike up the nearby mountain. All right, that's my today journey. Hope it helps anyone thinking about coming here for a trip.